How to remove virus from your PC without installing any kind of antivirus software. The very first thing you need to do is go to the search bar and simply search for clean MGR. And it's going to go ahead and search for this cleanup. Open it up, click on OK. Now it's going to see and check if there are any files that you want to delete or that you have to delete, including all the temporary files. You can also click on other files like recycle bin or other temporary files as well. To select all of them, tap on OK, and it's going to give you this pop-up to delete files. Click on it, and you should be good to go. Once everything is done, next step is to open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R and then simply search for the temp folder. Hit enter. It's going to open up this file or this folder. Press Ctrl A to select all. Press Shift plus Delete. Click on Yes, and you can just go ahead and skip these if it's not deleting, and you should be good to go. Now the final step is go over to your Windows and then simply search for this MTR or MRT and run this command. Click on Yes, and what it does is it's going to open up your default Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on Next, do a quick scan. You can also do a full scan as well as a customized scan. I'll do a quick scan. Click on Next. Once that is done, it's going to take a scan of your drive, and if there's anything malicious files on your disk, it's going to remove it automatically. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.